How to fix TikTok video not uploading in 2026. So the first thing that you need to check is for your internet connection. So if you're using your cellular data, make sure it's working properly. If you're using a Wi-Fi, also make sure that it's working properly. If you scroll down from your control panel just like this, you can see airplane icon, tap on it and then wait for a few seconds, tap on it and turn it off again. It will actually reset your network connection, and if there were any sort of network issues, it will troubleshoot it, right? So after doing that, if it's still not working, then you can try to check for any sort of update. You can go back and then open your Play Store or App Store. Then in here, what you're gonna do is simply search for TikTok just like this. Then from here, you can see TikTok, tap on it. If there are any kind of update requirement, there will be update. All you need to do is tap on that one, wait for a few seconds. Within few seconds, your TikTok will be updated, and like that, you can simply now open your TikTok and see if your video or photo is being uploaded or not. If it's still not working, then the last thing that you need to do is simply offload the applications. For that, go back, open your settings, application on your phone, scroll down a bit, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. Then from here, keep on scrolling until you see TikTok, tap on TikTok, tap on offload app, tap on offload app one more time. Within few seconds, your application will be offloaded. You'll be able to see the reinstall app option. All you need to do is tap on that one. Within few minutes, your TikTok will be reinstalled back on your phone. And after doing that, you can simply now open your TikTok, and I'm pretty sure that your videos will or your photos will actually start uploading. And that is it.